Hello friends, I am BM. Today I am going to show you how to data recovery, lost data recovery. Okay, open this software, easiest data recovery wizard professional. Click on complete recovery. I am recover here my pen drive, E drive. Okay, select this and click on next. Please like this video, subscribe my channel, hit bell icon. Okay, after this click on next. Building directory, please wait. After this select data, click on next. Select location here where you want to save data, click on next. Data recovery is complete, saving is completed. Okay, thank you for watching me. See you on next video.